Okay guys, here's my old nose. Now what we're going to try to do in this video, we're going to try to remove this. This was all done with clear fiberglass resin over the decal. Now we're going to use this multi-purpose wheel set on slow speed. Guys, I gotta go put a pair of gloves on because it's like 20 degrees below zero outside. My garage is actually like 35 with the heater on. So let me pause you. I gotta put a pair of gloves on. I'll be right back. All right. This multi-purpose disc was worth every dime. I've used this thing on so many things, and it's still not worn out. hands are frickin' frozen. And the air that sander's blowing on me, man, it's horrible. But anyway, now you're able to see the crack that the dealer did in this. See, there's a crack right here. This is right here. And then there's up here. When they loaded this on the trailer, the dude, they had the kickstand down. And the motorcycle was basically in gear laying on the kickstand. And then they had their pull straps on one side. And the dude pulled the motorcycle. Why he pulled it, I have no idea. And the motorcycle, this part of the nose, hit the rail in the trailer and cracked it. And since it wasn't a motorcycle trailer, they said it was my fault because it wasn't a motorcycle trailer. And they refused to replace the nose on a brand new motorcycle. Didn't even have 1 freaking mile on it. So that's why I never went back to that dealer, and I don't recommend anybody to go there. But see, that's that crack there. You can see it better there than one down there. What we're going to do is we're going to weld this. We're not going to fill this in first. I'm going to get more of this off, then we're going to weld it. With basically all you have to do is you heat up. I'll make a video of that part too. You just basically heat up the screwdriver until it's orange, and then you weld the plastic in with that, and then we'll fill it in. Alright guys, I'm going to sand this down a little bit better, then I'll make another video of welding the plastic.